everyone to our first ever community event. I think one of the things that makes Student Circus so special is our relationships with each one of you that is present here, in the attendees on the panel.
We already have established webinars that I started to undertake towards the end of last year, because I've been in post since April, and I'm in the process of enhancing the material with up-to-date information, because information changes all the time and there's resources out there that are just incredible, and those resources I wasn't aware of. So that's what I'm doing at the moment.
I think one of the things that definitely helps is engaging with the students early, before they even step on a campus, before they even arrive in the UK, giving them tours of our platforms, our services, and again, I've been repetitively saying, setting the right expectations.
So we don't differentiate one student from another, we support everybody. And as such, our team, when we're speaking with employers, we're constantly asking that question: do you support international students through your visa process, or will you sponsor, or what sponsorship licenses have you got? And of course, with the advent of Brexit a couple of years ago, our European students are also now known as international students because they need visa and sponsorship too, unless there's some small exceptions.
So we need to increase their confidence and say, look, whatever you have done in India, China, your home country, whether it's volunteering, paid, unpaid, doesn't matter. You have to flag it up. You have to shout from the rooftops because you have done some amazing things that employers are asking for. So we need to create a sense of urgency. You are here for a limited amount of time, master students 1 year, undergrads 3-4 years, okay, and so on and so on. You need to be motivated and you need to get out of your comfort zone.
So I really understand where employers are coming from in terms of their fear of getting things wrong and hiring people incorrectly. But I don't think our graduates are the areas that they need to concentrate on to get that right. So we need to understand their fear, first of all. But I think we also need to understand, when we're looking at maybe employer adverts or the way that things are being advertised, the potentially discriminatory language that's in there, and understand how to have those conversations with employers about being non-discriminatory, I think, because that's the thing that we're seeing quite a lot in some of the employer adverts at the moment.